Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: a C compiler and Visual Studio Code with the C/C++ extension. Once done, open the project folder in VS Code and create main. C with a simple main function. Make sure to save the file so the terminal sees the latest code. You'll also want to set the integrated terminal shell to your preference. This prevents path surprises. Now you're ready to run your first compile command in the terminal. You compile from the integrated terminal using GCC or Clang so the executable is built in your project folder. For example, type gcc main. comain on Mac OS or Linux, or gcc main. comain. exe on Windows. Once compiled, run it with /main or \main. exe. Make sure to include flags like wall for warnings or G if you plan to debug. If compilation fails, read the error line numbers and adjust your code before repeating the compile step. You finalize by setting up a debug configuration. Create launch. JSON, pick the correct debugger, and set program path to your built executable so breakpoints work. Once done, press F5 to run under the debugger and inspect variables. If things go wrong, make sure your compiler is on path and restart VS Code to refresh the terminal environment. This solves many invisible issues. Finally, read compiler messages carefully and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.